Hey there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. What if you could build a web app just by typing what you want, no code at all? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, buckle up because Google Opal is here to make that a reality. Since July 24, 2025, Google Labs has unleashed this game-changing tool as a public beta in the US. And today, I'm going to show you how to vibe code step by step, share your creations, and even remix templates. Get ready to dive into the world of effortless app creation. So what exactly is Google Opal? In a nutshell, it's an AI-powered tool that transforms your text prompts into mini web apps using a visual flow editor. No more wrestling with complex syntax or debugging cryptic error messages. Welcome to the era of vibe coding, where you build apps by describing their vibe, not writing code. The best part, you're in control every step of the way with a clickable visual workflow that lets you edit prompts on the fly. Now, you might be wondering, why should I use Opal? Well, imagine being able to prototype and test ideas at lightning speed. Whether you're a non-technical creator, a casual maker, or just someone with a cool app idea, Opal breaks down barriers and puts the power of app creation in your hands. It's perfect for whipping up proof of concepts, micro tools, or sharing your creations with others via Google account access. And remember, you're the boss, you refine and direct the AI at each prompt step, ensuring your vision comes to life exactly as you imagine. Let's walk through the vibe coding process in Opal, shall we? It all starts with an idea. Open up Opal in the Google Labs beta and enter a prompt like, build a quote generator app with a button that shows random quotes. Watch in awe as the AI generates a visual workflow, complete with input, model call, and output steps. Want to peek under the hood? Just click on any step to see the underlying prompt and tweak it to your heart's content. Need to add or remove steps? No problem. Use the toolbar to extend or modify the logic. And the best part, you can preview and test your app right inside Opal. Keep iterating, refining those text prompts until your app is exactly what you want. And if you're looking for inspiration or a head start, tap into the demo gallery to remix starter templates. It's like having a treasure trove of app ideas at your fingertips. Now, let's talk real-world examples. Imagine building a startup name generator or creating a trivia quiz mini app. How about sharing a small forum for surveys or feedback? The possibilities are endless, and the best part is you need little to no coding knowledge. Want to change the button style, tweak the output format, or add new features? Just reword your prompts, and voila, your app transforms before your eyes. To make the most of Opal, keep these editing and refinement tips in mind. Always strive for clear and specific prompts. Don't be afraid to edit prompts mid-workflow for better control. Need to add some conditional logic, create branches with additional prompt steps. And remember, preview after each change to see results fast. It's all about iterating and refining until your app is just right. Once you've crafted your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Click that publish button and you'll get a link that's shareable with anyone who has a Google account. No setup required on their end. They can run your app instantly. It's perfect for gathering feedback, showcasing demos, or collaborating on team prototypes. Now, you might be wondering how Opal fits into Google's AI stack. While it's separate from Google AI Studio and Firebase Studio, it shares the same vibe coding philosophy. Think of AI Studio as the express lane from prompt to app, while Firebase Studio handles full-stack apps with authentication and databases. Opal, on the other hand, gives you that visual prompt workflow focused on micro apps and experimentation. Of course, it's important to keep in mind that Opal is still in its early beta stage and currently only available in the US and might struggle with highly complex app logic, and the quality of your app will depend on the clarity of your prompts. Always test for edge cases and review the generated behavior manually to ensure everything's working as intended. Want to make sure your Opal creation gets noticed? Here are some tips to optimize SEO and discoverability. Give your app a descriptive name and use keywords like Vibe Code, Opal Mini app, and No Code Prompt app. Provide clear documentation in your prompt or app description. And don't forget to share your creation on social media. Tag Google Labs and use relevant hashtags to get more eyes on your app. So there you have it, the power to bring your app ideas to life with just a few prompts. To recap, describe your idea, edit prompts, build visually, and publish. It's that simple. If you're in the US, I encourage you to give Opal a try. What kind of app would you build? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear your ideas. And hey, if you found this tutorial helpful and want to stay up to date on the latest tools and AI app tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next in the world of no-code app creation. Until next time, happy vibe coding!